Car's in the garage today, boys. We about to get these bushings. I'm about to put these boys in. We're trying to see what we can get out today, but we gotta get the bushing, the diff, and the subframe out.
Take the wheels off. We're gonna have to drop the exhaust first, and then we're gonna have to start like working around the diff, and then taking out all the brackets, probably the coilovers to pull down the whole subframe. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. And a good looking stretch tire. So we don't have. Yo, your front sway bar is loose, bro.
I want to see that in a second.
Bro, can you pass me a 12?
We get the little update. You know, we just got the coilovers off. That coil over there. Oh, dropping them. Get these coilovers out. Now we're working on getting the exhaust out. Let's go. Alright, little camera update. I want to show you guys what the Silver Surfer's looks like. This is the start of it. It's got my muffler deleted. There was no more bolt there, so we had to drop it all the way. Got this strut out. I'm gonna get it out on this side, but it's coming along. This strut, 2 bolts in the trunk here, and then we're golden. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're pretty much done for today. We got a lot of done basically. This is the whole exhaust. These are 2 coilovers, struts, spring, whatever, wheels. Sway bar, I don't know if you can see, sway bars out as well. But we were gonna do the lower control arms, and we're gonna need an impact. I can't wait to get these things in. Driving experience is a lot better than these. Diff out, subframe almost completely separated.
Let that shit burn now. Oh, motherfucker.
Yo, is that casual, bruh? With the oil? That's looking sketch. What you think?
Dude, I don't even know.
There's oil in there. I don't think I have a fire extinguisher here. Dude, no, leave it. Ain't no putting it out now.
I might as well do the other one too, since we're already up.
Let me go make sure there's a. There's. Oh my god. New day, and we are back in live in action.
Live action.
Yesterday we burned this one. What's in there? Damn, that's bright. Ooh, that's heavy though. Special appearance. Steady E, steady E.
Yeah.
So basically chiseled all of these out. So what I basically did is whenever you see your bushings that will be in here, that's what it'll look like, and it'll just be rubber all in there. You grab your torch, you grab the torch, and just keep the torch on fire right there, and it'll just burn all of this rubber, and this will shoot out by itself. And then just let that flame keep burning this out, almost until it's looking like this, like it's just metal. And then you'll see, you want to chisel out this side so that it slides this way, because if you see these grooves right here, won't let it come this way. So you want to hit it for it to come out this way, and it takes wow. But I'll link any video that I watched down below so you guys can see other methods, but I don't even care. I just want to clean this shit up and put in the new ones and just think about putting stuff back in my car. Here yesterday outdoors. I'm gonna show you guys what we're looking like out here. I didn't do the bottom part of the subframe yesterday, so that's what I have painted right now and drying. I think I'm gonna have to go get more paint because I ran out and there's rust here. I went a little heavy-handed there, but yeah, so today I'm not actually doing any work on this except for painting it, and I'm just prepping some things. We are this close to having this car back, you know. Diff's all ready to go. Jaeger told me to, apparently if you put your bushings that you're gonna put in the freezer, it contracts them, which makes sense, and they go in a little bit easier. So that's what we got in here. You can see my bushings are right there. So yeah, we're gonna let those get cold all the way until tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm gonna start putting those guys in there.
Something else that I did that I didn't show you guys, got a new nice little bracket here that holds on the sensor for wheel speed. And then basically
probably gonna want gloves for this, and I'm gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna try to hit it in with a block of wood. I read that somewhere, so hopefully I don't break anything. But yeah, let's see how this goes. These are completely frozen. Pull all these guys out. Ooh, it's kind of cold and icy. I didn't really think about the fact of taking them apart. You take one of these things and you put that guy right there and hammer it. If you see here, there's like a little area where this can travel. Won't hit anything. It's literally just touching the bushing right there. So be creative and find something like that for you guys. And you just want to kind of drive this one just like that. Doesn't take too much. Barely on here now. So yeah, this is separated. Then we'll tap this over there on the actual subframe.
it off.
Something's shaking.
Something's hitting something. He playing. Look. I heard. I'm so hyped, bro.
Shit
Perfect.
sounded
No
good.
more clicking, clackety sounds. Give me the phone. Hey.
Mint. I might cry. I really want.
Yo, that was so much work though, bro. From dropping the subframe and like disconnecting everything and pulling the e-brake lines out. If we had a lift, it would have been a lot easier, but doing it in the garage, it's gone, bro. It's so smooth now.
Yeah.
So smooth.
This feels. Even
Let me
the
drive it.
shifter feels better.
Does it?
Yeah.
Good. I want to drive it too.
Yeah.
It's just so satisfying. He makes me so happy.
Dude, 12 lives right there.
Dead ass?
Yeah.
I go.
Just go straight. You want to go back to my house or take it out on the street?
I mean, dude,
Let's go take it out on the street.
it just takes a little bit of time, you know. If you have the garage, it's really all you really need.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh, the Subi behind us. Look behind us. Look who's pulling.
Oh shit.
Subi trying to, like, he's following me. He's trying to run it.
I see some lights.